Hey guys, so last week I did a tag video, and in that video I did the truthful YouTuber tag. It might have been last week, the week before, I'm not sure. But today I was scrolling on Twitter and I actually saw another, and this one I thought would be fun as well. This one is called the perfect subscriber tag. Now, I believe this video was originally started by Katie Marie, whose channel I will link down below, but I saw this today from Samantha March. So I'm gonna do this tag, and this is completely different. The other one was about being a YouTuber. This one is about being a subscriber. And I am a fan of YouTube through and through. So I am a YouTuber. I do YouTube videos, I make them myself, but I also watch YouTube videos all day, every day. It is a huge thing of mine, and you guys have seen this in the past that I'm not shy to say that I am probably, I don't know if I'm your average subscriber or if I'm the anomaly here, but I am not quick to jump onto the subscribe button, even though I'm the one to be like, subscribe, do it. So we're gonna talk all about that today. This is all about what I do. Do I downvote videos? Do I subscribe to people? Do I unsubscribe from people? And this is just really me going into what, as a YouTuber, I'm also like as a subscriber. So if you guys would like to, and you wanna stay on my channel and you wanna see more from me, you can subscribe if you want, and if you don't, it's pretty hurtful, but I also understand. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I also post to those. All right, the first question is, do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel / video, or try a few videos first? Oh boy, do I ever. I've said this before in a video, I will say it again. It takes me sometimes months to subscribe. I watch a lot of people's videos, but for some reason, when it comes to actually hitting the subscribe button, it takes everything in me to do that. There are some people that I feel really immediately, I'm like, oh, I like your channel, I'm gonna do that. But it takes a lot for me to actually click that button, and I don't know why. What I generally do is I'll find somebody that I like, and then I'll binge watch a few of their videos. If I'm like binge watching all of their videos in one day and I just love their content, I'll subscribe. But if I'm like, I look at their channel and I see that like 1 out of every 3 to 4 videos is the one I'm kind of interested in the content, I'm not gonna subscribe because I don't want it to fill up my sub feed when I can see that it's not something that I'm like loving everything. Do you know what I'm saying? So like if I notice that they upload a lot of content that's like stuff that I'm not super interested in, but every now and again they do something that I'm really like, then I will just search their channel out and watch the videos that I like. My YouTube recommended page is pretty good for me. It knows sort of what I like and what I probably want to watch, and so it's pretty good for recommending me the stuff that I want to watch. But no, I am really finicky when it comes to that subscribe button. Although if you guys have any channels you think I would really like, just knowing me and the kind of content that I like, definitely let me know, because you know, the kind of content that I love vlogs, but I don't love crazy vloggers. I'm really not into that kind of thing. I really like just chilled out people that just kind of sit and talk like this. I love really honest people and people that aren't afraid to say what they feel. 2, does the make you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe? No. I say it in every one of my videos at the beginning and at the end, but for myself, when someone else says it, no, I don't think I've ever subscribed by somebody saying subscribe. Have you? Do you? I'd love to hear what you guys have to think on this one, because I don't know if it ever does make me. In fact, I don't like being told what to do because you're not my real dad, so. 3, how many channels do you have the notification bell turned on for? 0? I don't even tell you guys to turn the notification bell on because I figure if you want to, you will. I don't want my intro to be too long ever because I feel like it can get kind of annoying. I feel like sometimes it's a little redundant, but if you want to get notified when I upload a video, you apparently can click the bell, but I have it clicked for nobody. Even my best friends. Just because I check my subscribe page so often, I don't feel like I need the notification, but you know, maybe it would be helpful. Should I use it? I don't know. I get notifications anyway, even though I've never clicked it. I get notified all the time when people upload videos, so I don't know what that is. Number 4, do you watch every video from your subscription feed or only your favorites? It doesn't have anything to do with favorites for me, because it's just if the video interests me. I have very specific videos that I like to watch, and I can't even tell you what those are right now. There are some people on the platform that I will watch every video no matter what. It doesn't matter what day of the week they upload. It doesn't matter if they only uploaded 2 videos that week or 7. There are some people that I will watch every single video without fail. And then there are others that I just kind of like, you know, oh, this video sounds like an interesting topic, or that thumbnail was really clickable for me. But it really just depends. So no, I would love to, but at the end of the day, like, ain't nobody got time for that. Well, I do have plenty of time, but I just don't do it. 5, how many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? Probably 4. There's probably 4 to 5 channels that I will never miss an upload for, and like I would add to a watch later tab. There are people that I watch like a ton of videos on, but that I don't like watch every single one. And that has nothing to do with like whether I like them or not. Sometimes I just forget, or I don't either see the video. This is probably why I should have notifications turned on, because a lot of times like I'll be like, has that person uploaded? And I'll go to their channel and be like, holy shit, I'm missing like 9 videos. But then there are certain people that like I will watch every single one of their videos no matter when they upload. Yeah, it's pretty rare. Pretty rare. Number 6, what kind of a commenter are you? So I would say I'm about 75, I'm gonna say I'm 70-30. I'd say I comment on about 70% of the videos I watch, and I silently watch 30. It really depends on the type of content. Sometimes I'll watch a video and I'm like, I don't think my comment's necessary here. If it's like a friend or if it's somebody like that, like a lot of times I will leave a comment. I used to have like this rule. If I watched a YouTube video, I would leave a comment, and a lot of the times I will do that. 7, do you skip ads or watch? I'd say 90% of the time, I'm not actually watching the video. I'm like listening to it while I'm doing something else. So it's not even like a conscious thought. I'm not even thinking like, oh, I gotta skip that ad. A lot of times I'm like in the bath and I'm shaving my legs and I'm like, you know, doing my thing, and there's a couple of YouTube videos playing there, or that's the main time that I watch videos. I don't know about you guys, but the main time that I actually sit down and like watch YouTube videos start to finish and like have my playlist going is my evening. When are you guys watchers? I'm like an evening watcher. Or when I'm getting ready. Most of the time that I'm getting ready, I'm filming, because I do YouTube for a living. A lot of the time I will have the like videos and stuff like that going on in the background while I was like decluttering, which if you want to watch, I'll have videos up here. When I'm in the bath, when I'm doing my hair, when I'm getting ready, when I'm in the shower. Honestly, if they're doing a makeup look or a chit chat get ready with me, those are kind of some of my favorite videos, or like chatty get ready with me's. That's why I love filming them, because they are some of my favorite videos to watch. I love to watch people just getting ready while talking about their lives. That nothing could interest me more. I don't know why. I really find people so fascinating. And so if you guys have any really good people that do like chit chat get ready with me's, or things that are like a little more, I don't know, like life, when people talk about their lives. When somebody just talks about the actual products, those are the people I have a hard time connecting with. I don't know about you guys, but if somebody's just like, and I love this lip liner because, if I love this lipstick because, but then they add like their personal flair in there, that personal flair is where I live for those videos. So if you guys have anyone that you think that I would love that does that, please let me know, because I'm always looking for more people to binge watch. But yeah, I'd say like if I have my phone near me, I will skip the ad. If I don't have it near me, I don't bother. I don't like run across the room to skip the ad. 50-50. I skip my own ads even, so. Ooh. Number 8, do you speed up videos? When I discovered speeding up YouTube videos, it has changed the game for me. I use an app all the time with my 2 best friends, Kat and Marie, and it's called Marco Polo. And on that app, you have the option of taking the little tile that they just left. It's almost like a story that they leave for you in your little group, and then you can watch later, and you can speed it up 2 times. And I watch all Marco Polos in 2 times. I do everything if it's possible in 2 times, because I do it in like 1.25 or 1.5 on YouTube usually, depending on the length of the video. If it's like an hour-long video and I can get it in 30 minutes, I don't know why I do that, but now that is an option, I struggle to watch things in one time. Not movies or anything like that, but especially with stories on Instagram, because I'm so spoiled by YouTube's speed up feature, I find myself like trying to speed up people's Instagram stories. I'm like, get to the point. It's actually making me I feel like need the information faster, and I hate that because I like to take life slowly. I'm one of those people that likes to just like stop and relax and not like rush through life. But when it comes to watching YouTube videos, now those like 5 people I mentioned, I don't speed up their videos. If somebody's trying to get out information, if they're trying to tell a story, if they're trying to get something to me, I want it quicker. So yes, I do use that speed up feature. 9, do you click affiliate links or use affiliate codes? Yeah, depends on who the person is and if I remember to do so. I generally don't go out of my way to do so, but I do click affiliate links. If I can support the person that I'm watching, I absolutely will. So yes. 10, what is your preference when it comes to video length, your sweet spot? I'd say if a video is less than 20 minutes, it's a little annoying to me. When I'm in a YouTube video, I'm in it for the long haul. Like I am ready to like get in the bathtub and start your video and then still have that video beyond when I'm getting out. I think my sweet spot for a YouTube video would be 25 to 30 minutes. I think that's a really good length video. If it's 30 to 40, that starts feeling a little bit long. Really depends on what the video is, because like some of my first impressions videos can like head out into the 40-minute mark. But I'd say sweet spot for me, like if I see a video in my sub feed and I'm like really excited to watch it and I see that it's like 24, 25, 26 minutes long, I'm like super excited because that's like a good length of time for me to really get into it. It's like an episode of a show, you know? 11, do you thumbs up most videos? Yeah, if I like it, I will thumbs it up. But number 12 is, do you ever thumbs down a video? If I dislike it, I will thumbs it down. I am a thumbs downer when necessary. Okay, so say like a makeup person puts up a video or something and I don't like the look. I wouldn't thumbs down that video. Say that I see a video from somebody and it is them being irresponsible. I might pop a quick thumbs down on it just to let them know like, hey bitch, I see you. It's very rare that I will thumbs down a video, but if it's something that's like really bad, like I've seen a couple of creators do things and they're not like my peers or anything like that, but I've seen a couple videos like pop up in my recommended and I'll click it and I'll be like, this is awful shit. And I'll pop a quick thumbs down, but it's a very rare thing. I'm a lot more likely to thumbs up a video, and the only time I will thumbs down a video is when it's really bad. Like to the point where it's not even like the content is bad, you should be embarrassed, but like a Logan Paul situation. I know all engagement is engagement, even if it's bad, which is stupid, and I know that. Like, even thumbs downing a video is engagement to YouTube, whether it's good or bad. Like, it doesn't really matter. 13, do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? Yeah, I try to. I mean, I try to, if I'm ever inspired by somebody, I always shout them out. If I've ever done something and it's been done by somebody first, I try to always make mention of that. If I see a video from somebody that I like or a channel that I'm really into, I will always mention it in like a favorites video or on my Instagram stories. I believe that in this space that we are in, lighting somebody else's flame does not dim yours. You can bring other people up while being brought up yourself. Mentioning somebody else's channel does not take away your subscribers. It's not a one or the other scenario, and I hate when people won't do that. I have had bigger channels do videos inspired by mine, or, you know, that had my videos were done first and then I wasn't credited at all. And I never call them out because, again, these are my peers. Whether or not they did that, like, I'm not trying to look like a petty ass bitch, but it sucks. It sucks really bad when somebody with a really large platform has the opportunity to give you that exposure and growth, but then they either choose not to, or for some reason or another don't shout you out. So I never want to be like that. I always want to give the platform to whoever deserves it. If I got an idea from somebody else, I'm gonna shout them out. And I just want to always bring other people up. This is not an industry, at least I feel like. I hate it when some people are like, you know, don't give out information, I worked hard for this information. Like, in some ways, there are some people that want to come into any industry and just be like, tell me how you did everything, how did you get popular? And it's not that easy. It's not some quick answer that you can give, and you have to go into for the right reasons. But if somebody's like working hard and they're doing really great and they're trying, like, absolutely, I will share other YouTubers and shout other people out because, you know, people are killing it and they deserve the recognition. And I always wished that there were certain people that would have done it for me. And those are all the questions. I think this is fun. I would love to hear you guys' answers. Let me know any channels that you guys think that I would love. If you think that there are any people out there that just kind of fit the style I like, just like really honest people, people that just say it like it is, people that go outside of the box with their content. I'm not really into like crazy challenges and stuff. I'm more into like just sitting down and like having real conversations while like either doing their makeup, or they don't even have to be doing their makeup. You know, I love Jenna Marbles. Like, I just want people who are just like a down ass bitch. And I watch a lot of different types of channel too. It does not have to be makeup. I was gonna ask this on Twitter the other day, but sometimes those threads can just get out of control and it's kind of hard sometimes to check everything. But if you guys see somebody else mention somebody that you were gonna comment, please thumbs up their comment so that'll maybe move up, because I really need some new people to watch. Like, my sub feed is good, but it's pretty dry. And maybe that's because I won't subscribe unless it's about a year into watching their channel. So maybe that's my own fault. Probably it is. All right, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Definitely check out Katie Marie and Samantha March. I will link them both in the description down below so you guys can check them out if you are interested in seeing what they both had to say. You know, maybe you won't even listen to this right now. Maybe you won't hear what I'm saying, because, you know, maybe you're like me and people telling you to subscribe doesn't work. But if it does, please subscribe. Because if you don't, it hurts me. I am your real dad, so just do it. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, so today's video is something completely, well, no, it's not something completely different. It's a tag. That's not even something I tell you guys to do. I think that it, oh my God, there is cat hair all over my face. Cat hair. Literally covering me. Now, I use an app all the time, There's literally like an entire cat's worth of hair on my face. In the comments section down below. No.